Hello everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So this video is yet another video regarding the recruitment process held by Infosys and EPAM. The notification is there on their career site. You can have a look at it, or you can use the links provided in the description box to get down to it and make your registration. So now let's get started to this video. Before that, I would like to make a gentle reminder on the online courses that we are providing, which is a 21 days of crash course session. Enrollment have been begun on 9th of April and it's going to end by 30th of April. So it is basically a complete package of online assessment, and this is available to you at just rupees 249 rupees, which is completely worthy and affordable. So make use of this opportunity. Recorded sessions or recorded videos will be also available under this package, so that in case of revision you can have a look at it. Now moving on to the video that we was discussing about the opening in Infosys. Infosys has an opening under Information Security Engineer, locations Bangalore. So they're looking forward for the freshers with 0 years of experience. Now, a Bachelor's of Engineering is the eligible qualification criteria they're looking forward for. Since it's an Information Security Engineer, you will be handling the responsibility regarding the cyber security and various technologies used by the Infosys and basics of database management, programming skills and scripting language is expected by them. Now moving on to the professional and technical skills they are demanding us. You should have these, and this is not limited to that. You can have additional too. They're looking forward for us candidates who possess cross-domain knowledge in various areas of cybersecurity, like these many, like hardening various operating systems platforms primarily covering Windows, Linux and Mac, in-depth understanding of various protocol suites, in-depth understanding of various web applications, RDBMS and OSQL database platforms, good understanding of defense in depth, good understanding how patches are managed by various vendors, good understanding of static and dynamic file analysis, good understanding of memory analysis, good understanding of virtualization, cloud and mobile platforms, ability to use OSINT tools to identify various attackers and attack, ability to automate daily routines using one or more languages for scripts or languages or scripts like Bash, PowerShell, Perl, Python, Ruby, Yara, C, .NET. So these are the technical and professional skills required by them. Now the preferred skill based on the cybersecurity is given below. You can have a look at it. And in case of application, you can click this apply button if all the eligible criteria is met and make your registration. Now, this is the form you have to fill before for the registration. So you have to provide these details regarding date of birth, preferred interview city, current or previous employer or not, skill set, total experiences year you can provide. If you're fresher, you can provide 0, else you can increment it. Now the code, mobile number, everything. And if you're a previous employee of Infosys, then you can provide that. You can attach your resume by uploading into the session, and after that you can apply. So this is how you have to get on to Infosys. So the average package provided to this is 4 to 6 lakh per annum, which is a great package for freshers. So if you are, the eligible criteria is met with your knowledge, with your profile, then you can have definitely apply to this. Now moving on to the other, which is EPAM India. So they are looking forward for engineering students or the graduates who are from computer science related streams, and eligible criteria is only for the batches 2020 and 2021 pass out. Okay, it's clearly mentioned 2020 and 2021 passed out with average marks of 60% and with a strong knowledge on data structures and algorithms. And job location is Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore or any EPAM Indian office. So basically training will be held in the Hyderabad, and they have also mentioned here in case of the lockdown or anything relating to this pandemic background, the offline training will be shifted to online training. So it is according to that time convenience. Now they have provided that there are 2 rounds for the hiring process. One is the coding assessment, and other is the virtual group discussion followed by the interview. Now the average salary or annual is 6 lakh rupees per standard benefits according to your performance. Now moving on to the skills they're demanding is open source on Java or Python, testing function and automation using Java or C# or Python, Microsoft .NET C#, cloud and DevOps, Salesforce, strategy and design, big data, and Pega. So this is basically that. And online test will be on first Saturday, and second round will be from 5th of May. So all the eligible candidates will receive the details regarding the online assessment, everything, your username, password, everything. We can get started with that. So to apply for that, you have to provide your basic details, your profile details, your education details, and where do you adopt? I mean, the residence you are from, and where do you, and everything regarding that. Okay. Now, after that, you have to submit your response. So this is how you have to register for EPAM. Make your registrations at the earliest, because these two companies is a high chance that if their registration or applications are saturated, they'll be closing the links at the earliest. So make use of this opportunity soon after you watch this video. So this is all about how to apply in Infosys and EPAM. I think it's very clear. So if you have any queries regarding this video, you just watch this video full, and still you have any queries, do let us know in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions regarding the contents that we prepare present before you, you can let us know in the comment section as well. So until I come up with another video regarding this recruitment session, thank you and have a great day.